Ngiyanibingelela muzi wakithi wonke waseZayoni. Ngibingelele ama-heads, ama-archbishop, bishops, everyone. All protocol observe. Bafowethu, I'm rising with a point engiphethe kabuhlungu. Ingiphethe kabuhlungu ngoba I grew up with background yaseZayoni. I grew up ngi-understanda ukuthi ibandla likamoya. I grew up ngi-understanda i-culture yokuba iSayoni. Ngifuna ukuthi futhi nginomncwabo ongiphathe kabuhlungu kakhulu. Ongiphathe kabuhlungu in such a way ukuthi people are keep on phoning me ngenxa yokuthi bengiu-attendile lo mncwabo. Bafowethu, kuleli viki esidlula kulo ngomgqibelo besisemngcwabeni omkhulu, sisemngcwabeni ofana nomuzi wemonarchy yaseZayoni, ebukhosini baseZayoni, kwi-first establishment, kwi-background, kwi-foundation yaseZayoni, ibandla lakaNkonyane. Besingcwaba umuntu esingambiza ngokuthi uPope, masingamfaka kwi-status samaRoma, masingamfaka kwi-status sobukhosi, singathi inkumkane ebekade singcwaba kuleli viki. Uma singamfaka kwi-status eyiningi, singathi upresident wamaZayoni, uTE Nkonyane. Bafowethu, ayingiphoxekile this week kakhulu. Ibandla lakaNkonyane ngiyacela ukuthi liyenze public apology. Kithina ma-leaders, amabandla besikhona, la besikhona bekhona o-archbishop esibahloniphayo, uProfessor uShabalala, o-professor ngokuhlukana, abanye they were coming from Swaziland, abanye from Botswana. La besikhona bekukhona i-River of Mercy, obaba esibahlonipha kakhulu. Ngabala ngazi ngifikephi, angazi ngafika phi bafowethu, but ngiphoxekile kakhulu. When sifika laphayana eNewcastle, sizizwile inkinga umholi wethu ubaba uNkonyana abebhekene nazo, uTE Nkonyane. But angifuni ukudwela kuzo much ukuthi kwenzekeni, because bekuyi-internal issues abekhona nesquabble sangaphakathi ebandleni. I can't talk about izinto zamabandla, anginikwanga leyo mandate. Futhi angifuni ukuthi egcineni kubo ngathi bekade ngiyele lapho kuyolalela izinto zamabandla. Okungiphatha kakhulu kabuhlungu, laphayana bekukhona uZweli Mkhize, kukhona imeya yase-Newcastle, deputy mayor, speaker, and other respected people ebebekhona nje be-attende lo wamncwabo. But after umncwabo ngiyibonile i-issue yokuthi masiphuma nebhokisi, there was a conflict ebikhona. Iqale ngaphakathi, ngazama nami ukudila nayo with umndeni. But into engenza ngibe la manje ukuthi uma ibandla lethu-ke, noma ngeke ngilisho ngoba ngithunywanga yilo kule video, ibandla lethu belinomsebenzi escort. Mangifike escort ntambama, ngifika abazalwane ngibathulela umncwabo, and babuza ukuthi bekungcwatshwa bani. Ngithi bekungcwatshwa uTE Nkonyane, uThami. bathi beningcwaba amatshe ngokusho kwe-social media. Ngacabanga ukuthi it's a joke ngoba ngiyazi social media is saying anything ngesikhathi uma ufuna ukwehlisa nje isithunzi somuntu social media kulula ukuthi zehle. But uma ngifika la ekhaya izolo ntambama ngesonto ngifica there is an official announcement from umndeni wakaNkonyane, kuhlezi udadewabo kaNkonyane nomfowabo kaNkonyane bavumelana ngokuthi njengoba besihlangene thina all the heads of the churches sihlangene emngcwabeni wenkosana yethu womqalisi wendlela besihlalela amatshe awu2, elinye ebelifakwe ebhokisini ngasekhanda, elinye ngasezantsi kwase kufakwe ezinye izinto ongeyena ubaba uNkonyane ebesizomngcwaba. Unfortunately ngithe mangifika kwaNkonyane bathi asambe siyothandaza endlini yakhona. We went there sayomemeza uNkulunkulu, sayothi kuNkulunkulu baba indlela oyiqalile ifeze ukuthi angcwabeke kahle ubaba wethu, ukuthi ungabi bikho imimoya engathintana nesidumbu sathandaza laphana, sathandaza saqeda lapho kwakhishwa ibhokisi sahamba saya etendeni, and only to find ukuthi thina all what we were doing laphayana bekuyitshe amatshe abesebhokisini. I'm hurt kakhulu bafowethu, I'm hurt. Angisho ukuthi ngisola bani, but oplane lento ayiplanile wakhe umkhokha omkhulu kithi thina njengamaZayoni, umkhokha lo owenzakalile. And I wish ukube kuthiwa umoya usekhona bekufanele kukhulume izolo ukuthi akekho uNkonyane, isidumbu sikaNkonyane amongst us. Sahlala salila sakhuluma, and unfortunately ngisho abantu bebephethe uhlelo I don't think bebekwazi lokho bekwade kwenzeka. And bafowethu angifuni ukusho, I think noma I feel like a fool to attend the meeting, the funeral efana nalola hlobo. I feel like a fool, totally fool bafowethu. If abakaNkonyane bangasiklerisha kahle ukuthi cha akusikhona lokho kushiwo umndeni. Yebo siyayazi ama-protection orders whatever, akukho futhi ebesingakuthuka ngoba kuyenzeka nasemabandleni esiwahola, but leyo ukuthi kungcwatshwe amatshe sizohlalela amatshe okungenani befanele kuhlehle noma umngcwabo lingabi bikho ibhokisi-ke sibe khona like a memorial service. Ngebuhlungu bafowethu, I want to tell you, ngiyacela whoever wakaNkonyane ongangizwa obephethwe umongameli uthi iNkonyane, ngicela angangifonela, I don't mind. My number is 061 525 2949. Cela bangifonele, and ngiyacela basenzele a public apology. Public apology. Ngabe incwadi, ngabe ivideo, angigxeki, ngeke ngigxeke ibandla likaNkulunkulu. Kodwa isenzo hayi angisithandanga bafowethu. Kakhulu angisithandanga, namanje ngizizwa ngehlile. This thing reduce the church into a zero. Inkokheli yethu lehambile, and futhi sonke besikhuluma ngesikhathi ihambile siletha amazwi enduduzo, sisho yonke into ebekufanele sisho ngoba sebuhlungu, kodwa hayi le eyenzakele. Ngiyacela bafundisi bakaNkonyane, ma-trustees akaNkonyane, ngiyacela please ake nisenzele i-public apology, nixolise kithi, asizizwa right. Ngiyabonga.